I think you guys will call me crazy, but I don't really use SPF on my face. Hi, I'm Lais Ribeiro, and this is Mask and Answer with Marie Claire, and I'm gonna chill with you guys and answer some questions about my morning routine. You know, as you guys can see, I am using honey on my skin. It's not every day that is a honey mask that I put it on. It's 2-3 times a week. So here I am to show you guys what I do for my morning routine. And here is the steps. I use this product every day in the morning and right before I go to sleep. You know, it's a cleanser and it's great for the skin. It takes all the the toxins in rest of the makeup that you also have in your face. Right after, today I'm doing the honey because honey is great for, hydration. It's antibacterial. It opens your pores. It's good for everything. It boosts, the glow, and that's what we need. Right after that, I just clean my face with water, and here is my favorite thing in the world. I think you guys have seen this. So right after, I use the dark skin tone. Also, all my products, it's from Dr. Barbara Sturm. She is killing it with the beauty skin products. It's very rich, and here we go. After that, I'm done. Craziest beauty treatment you ever done? I wouldn't say it was on my skin. I go to this Brazilian salon and they do they burn your hair. You just take a little piece of your hair and then you twist it, and then he comes with the candle, burns the split ends. That's what it does. It gets rid of the split ends. And I don't need to cut my hair so much, because I think it's every girl's nightmare is going to the salon and trying to, just cut it a little bit, and they always overdo. What kind of music do you like to listen when you're masking, getting ready? As a good Brazilian, I would like some Brazilian music. And I like all type of music, but Brazilian is my favorite. All-time favorite SPF and what number? I think you guys will call me crazy, but I don't really use SPF on my face or in my body. I love being in the sun, and I love being darker. I love being tan. So I just go in the sun without SPF. When I get home, I do, a lot of moisturizer on my body, aloe vera, everything I can to moisturize. All-time favorite serum. It's this beauty over here for dark skin. It's a miracle. It's really helping me to get rid of the dark spot on my face, and it's my favorite one. When do you feel the most beautiful? When I'm in peace with myself. I think everyone has to take care of themselves first before taking care of the others. I try to take care of my body. I try to take care of my mind, and I think when you feel confident, when you feel happy with yourself and the things that is around you, that it transforms in beauty for sure. That's the beauty for me. So I just wanted to show you guys the result of a clean face. Well, thank you for masking and chilling with me, and don't forget to subscribe in the Marie Claire YouTube channel and let us know which mask you're loving it. I'm ready to start my day. Bye.